So now I'm going to add a new thing to my game, and that's to add a new thing called a uh, spawn ball spawner. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add an image. So I have a image for it. I'm going to make a new in a file, save as. I'm going to call spawner.png, and it's going to look like that, except it's going to have a different. It's going to have a red fill, and it's going to have a, I don't know, it has one of these things in the middle that's bright green. File, save. So now I have a spawner. So the first thing we're going to do now from here, once we have the image, is we're going to make a new thing. File, save as, spawner.py. And our spawner is pretty much like this, except instead of loading wall, he's going to load spawner.png. And we're going to use an spawner and his level loader. In the level, we're going to add a new character. I'm going to use capital X. I'll have 3 spawners. And now my level loader, we're going to add a new line for this. And I'm going to add a new import. Spawner. And we're going to take and add a spawner. And if I go to my game now and execute it, we should get, it loaded. Oops. So I'm going to go to my level loader, and I bet you I forgot to change the character. Yep, I want to change this to X. So let's go here again and try again. And, let's close my game. Oh. There we go. I don't know what I was doing. Silly me. Let's try it again. There we go. So now I have spawners. Now we have to actually make the spawners work. So we need to do a little bit more here. So right now we load all the walls here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go and make a new thing called walls. And I'm going to add a new thing called spawners. And now at the end, our tiles are going to be equal to walls, spawners. And I like to have those lists on 2 lines because I think it looks better. So there's my 2 tiles. And now in my ball demo, I'm going to say walls is equal to load level. I'm going to say tiles. And walls is equal to tiles index 0. Spawners is equal to tiles index 1. And I have to actually spawn my spawners. I want the spawners to be one of the last things in the lowest things. So I'm going to copy that out. And spawner in spawners. Let's see what it looks like. I should now have the spawners in, but they shouldn't interfere with me. And I have an issue with I think I have too many brackets. Let's get rid of this here. Get rid of this here. Let's see if that works better. There we go. Now I don't hit the spawners. The next step we'll do in the next video is make it so the spawners actually spawn the balls.